Tom, you won't believe what happened.
What? Tell me.
My student just messaged me.
Yes?
She learned 10 new words this morning
10 words. That's fantastic.
in just 20 minutes.
How did she do it?
She used a special technique,
That's incredible.
and that's perfect timing
Why?
because today we're talking about building vocabulary fast.
I love this topic.
Everyone wants to learn words quickly.
Let's share the best methods.
Let's begin.
So, Lucy, how can people build vocabulary fast?
Great question. First, I want to say something important.
What's that?
Fast doesn't mean difficult.
Oh, interesting.
You can learn quickly and have fun.
I agree.
It's all about the method.
So, what's the best method?
Let me share the top strategies.
I'm ready.
Strategy number 1. Learn words in groups.
What do you mean?
Don't learn random words.
Okay.
Learn words that go together.
Can you give an example?
Of course. Let's say you want to learn food words.
Right.
Learn 5 fruit words together. Apple, banana, orange, grape, strawberry.
All at the same time.
Exactly. Your brain likes groups.
That makes sense.
It's easier to remember.
What's strategy number 2?
Use the words immediately.
Immediately.
Yes. Don't just write them down.
What should we do?
Say them out loud.
Right away?
Right away. Make a sentence with each word.
Can you show me?
Sure, if I learn the word delicious.
Yes.
I say, this pizza is delicious.
Ah, I see.
Then I might say, my mum's cooking is delicious.
You used it twice.
Exactly. Use it 3 or 4 times.
That helps you remember.
Your brain learns through repetition.
Brilliant.
I had a student called Omar from Egypt.
What did Omar do?
He learned 10 words every morning.
How?
He chose a topic each day.
Like what?
Monday was weather words.
Okay.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, cold.
Good words.
Tuesday was family words.
Mother, father, sister, brother.
Exactly, and he used them all day.
Did it work?
In 1 month, he knew 300 new words.
300.
Amazing, right?
That's incredible progress.
And he said it was easy.
Because he had a system.
Exactly right.
What's strategy number 3?
Connect new words to words you already know.
How does that work?
Let me explain. You know the word happy, right?
Yes, everyone knows happy.
Now learn unhappy.
The opposite.
Then learn happiness.
The noun form.
You see, 1 word becomes 3 words.
That's clever.
Your brain makes connections.
It's like a web.
Perfect description. The more connections, the better you remember.
I love this. I have a story about my student Kenji from Japan.
Tell me.
Kenji struggled with vocabulary at first.
What was the problem?
He tried to memorize lists.
Oh, boring lists.
Exactly. Just words with translations.
That's hard to remember.
Very hard.
What changed?
I taught him the picture method.
The picture method.
Yes. For every word, make a picture in your mind.
Oh, I love this technique.
If you learn mountain,
You imagine a big mountain.
exactly. See it in your mind.
Make it colourful.
Make it detailed.
Even silly.
Silly pictures work best.
Our brains love silly things.
Kenji started using pictures.
Did it help?
He learned 50 words in 1 week
50 words.
using mental pictures.
That's the power of visualization.
So true.
Here's another important tip.
What's that?
Don't translate everything.
Really?
Try to think in English.
That sounds difficult.
It's easier than you think.
How?
Use simple definitions in English.
Can you show me?
Sure, instead of translating chair,
Yes?
think something you sit on.
Ah, an English explanation.
Exactly. Your brain starts thinking in English.
That's more natural.
Much more natural.
What about flashcards?
Oh, flashcards are excellent.
How should we use them?
Make your own flashcards.
Not buy them.
Making them helps you learn.
I see.
Write the word on one side.
And the meaning on the other?
Yes, but add a picture too.
A drawing?
Even a simple drawing helps.
Anything else?
Write an example sentence.
On the flashcard.
Yes, this gives you context.
Context is so important.
My student Sofia from Spain does this.
How many cards does she make?
5 new cards every day.
Just 5?
Just 5, but she reviews old cards too.
Ah, review is important.
Very important.
How often should we review?
Review after 1 day. Then after 1 week. Then after 1 month.
That pattern helps memory.
Scientists call this spaced repetition.
It really works.
Sophia knows over 500 words now.
That's wonderful.
And she started 6 months ago.
Amazing progress. Let me share one more powerful technique.
Yes, please.
Learn vocabulary through stories.
Oh, I love this method.
Read simple stories in English.
Or listen to them.
When you see a new word in a story,
You understand it from context.
exactly.
And stories are interesting.
Much better than boring lists.
You remember the story.
And you remember the words.
Perfect.
My student Zainab from Kenya uses this method.
What does she read?
Children's books.
That's smart.
They use simple vocabulary.
But the stories are fun.
She reads one short story every day.
Does she look up every word?
No, that's the key.
What does she do?
She only looks up important words.
Words she sees many times.
Exactly. If a word appears once,
Ignore it.
but if it appears 5 times,
It's important. Learn it.
perfect strategy.
So, everyone listening,
You can build vocabulary fast.
use these methods.
Learn words in groups.
Use them immediately.
Make connections.
Create mental pictures.
Make your own flashcards.
Read simple stories.
And review regularly.
You'll be amazed at your progress.
Start today.
Just 5 words today.
5 more tomorrow.
In 1 month, you'll know 150 new words.
That's incredible.
And it's absolutely possible.
Let's review the key strategies.
Yes, let's review and repeat them.
Learn words in groups and topics.
Learn words in groups and topics.
Use new words immediately.
Use new words immediately.
Connect new words to words you know.
Connect new words to words you know.
Create mental pictures for each word.
Create mental pictures for each word.
Don't translate everything.
Don't translate everything.
Make your own flashcards with pictures.
Make your own flashcards with pictures.
Learn vocabulary through stories.
Learn vocabulary through stories.
Review regularly using spaced repetition.
Review regularly using spaced repetition.
These methods really work.
Start using them today. Great job today.
You did so well.
Choose your first 5 words today.
Pick a topic you're interested in.
Use the methods we shared.
You'll build vocabulary fast.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Happy learning, everyone.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.